Assalamu alaikum, Sayyidi.
Walaikum salam rahmatullah.
Can you talk about the rules, benefits of recitation salawats in the original language versus English? In the awrat, for example, I'm reading the longer passages in English. Is this okay?
Making the salawats in English?
Yeah, Arabic versus English.
We have the Romanization where it's Romanized English. It has to be in the sound of Arabic. So if I recite something in English, it doesn't have the sound vibration and the reality of those words, because the English language can't contain the Arabic reality. So one word could have 2000 meanings. In English language it's just two meanings, one meaning, that's it. Doesn't hold the weight of that reality. So it's best to read the Romanized if you can't read Arabic, which is not a problem. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. It has the power and all the knowledges and reality of every letter, every sound, every vibration has a secret, and those vibrations are what elevate the reality of the insan. So the sound they make and the lights that come from it, the vibrations that come from it, those are the secrets. Those secrets are not in the English language. So we try to do our best. You can go back and read the English for what you said to get an understanding, but it's nowhere anything near the reality that Allah gave. From this language is a language from paradise, an ancient language. Forget about it being for Arabs. This is a language that Allah gave in paradise, and as a result that was brought into this earth, and through the conveyance of this has its secrets. So if you knew of an ancient language, everybody would try to recite from that language to take its secrets. That's Arabic, has an ancient reality attached to it, inshaAllah.